Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox succulents for you. I'm so excited because I really don't know exactly what plants inside the box. I got the box from Thenextgardener recently. Now together open the box and see what inside, okay? They put the whole bunch of cotton at the top of the succulent. Okay, let's take out the first succulent from the box. I picked the biggest one. This is 8 inches, everyone. And this succulent is Echeveria Jocelyn. I don't know if I pronounce it wrong or right, but fix me if I get it wrong, okay? Yeah, beautiful in green color. Okay, let's check it out. The next one. And this is Echeveria Mabina, a crested, beautiful color. So for those plants, after I unboxing, so I just repot without changing, remove soil, everyone, because they're really healthy. Because this is not the first time I get from the Thenextgardener. And what is this succulent's name? And this is it look like Echeveria pink ruby, everyone. So for those stalks, we can remove those stalks. So pretty. So if you like the plant, the succulent, you can check out their website, thenextgardener.com. I have the link below so you can check it out. And this is let's see what this plant name, Echeveria Bante. Yeah, Echeveria Bante. So for these flower stalks, I remove other flower stalks because if we keep the flower, the plant slow down the growth. Okay, so let's see how many I have left. And this is small 2 inches Echeveria Big Red. This one will grow really big, everyone, and really nice in red color. I bought this one from the Amazon. Just blow out the water or the soil from on the top of the plant. And this one has a longer name, Echeveria. I really don't know how to pronounce the last word, but this really nice. Okay, and another 4 inches pot. Echeveria Jocelyn. This is the second one. I have total 2 of this kind of succulents. Okay, let's see how many I have now. So look like I have 3 left. So this is Echeveria Medbina, the 2 inches one. And this was, I have to look with some tags right here. Echeveria SP Gillo, 2 inches. 2 cute little pots. blew out, made them clean. Okay, so there's the last one in here. Let's check out my last one. Everyone stay with me, okay? Yeah, I tried to get it out faster, but I can't. And this is my favorite one, everyone. This name is a Terraria Psyche. They have the beautiful color with the red. For each one, red tipped color. So I have the beautiful pot right here for my Terraria Psyche, and they have big hole at the bottom. But I put the this one I got from the hanging basket. So still have two big holes. I put next is the mesh pad, and then now I can put the soil in. So I can remove my plants and then just put in the new pot without removing soil. Thank you. The next gardener sent me those beautiful and healthy succulents. Everyone who love their succulents can check out their website, thenextgardener.com. And thank you again. See you in my next videos. Thank you.